down at my house today, mowing the yard and cleaning up. We got big thunderstorms last night, and I think the lightning hit my tower, fried my computer, cell phone, and that power surge. So now I'm gonna have them replaced. So tomorrow I think I get to go to town, have some entertainment. Have to pay my attorney like 3,500 pesos, I think. But we're gonna go out here and look at the well. October the 14th. Days just fly by. Anyway, we'll go check this well out. And inside, I had to get a ladder so I could reach the peak in my house. That's pretty nice. But anyway, in the well, it's pretty high. From the top here, it's to the ground is probably about 6 foot, so it looks like it's about 8 or 9 foot down. I think I got a lot of water. So as soon as I get this finished, I'll do a video on that one. Well, you guys enjoy the day.